Oh boy, trusty steed, ready to rip, dirty as hell, but it's okay.
Yeah, we ran out of time to clean the bike, but it is what it is. Here in Punta Gorda, and we're ready for round 3 practice. So, see you at the track.
Niggas just been rockin' like it's 1999. I was 9, maybe 10, then again, never mind. Fresh for wine, back in time, before rappers dropping dimes. Drop or die, chopping pies, with cliches all in they rhyme. Now it's Gucci, Prada, and anything designer. Money, power, the whole enchilada. Promise.
Practice 2, we're gonna up our speed a little bit. Practice 1 is always just, getting used to the track, figuring it out. So I think I got some good info from the first lap. So we're ready for the second practice, and yeah, just got to go faster. So the goal is to be under 2-minute lap times. We're at 2:07 right now, so I think we can do it. And yeah, it's another hot day out here in Punta, Florida.
To your flocker, if you disrespect that blocker. Jumpers on these jumpers, fuck these jumpers. I'm a grindin' like Tupac, Blicky Papa, yeah, you hotter, but I'm hotter. Carjacking, pistol packing, motherfucking jumpers, clapping leather jacket, automatic magazines, air traffic, fingers smashing, windows crashing, pants sagging, fuck the fashion, yeah, a nigga run Manhattan, back in Cali's where it happened, Gucci, Scott, anything designer, boppers, love on the spot, cause it's private.
Practice 2 was good, more comfortable on the bike. We shaved 7 seconds off of the lap times. Pretty consistent of 2 minutes, 2 seconds. So try and up that consistency on practice 3 and see if we can do a faster lap time. So kind of click it into third and just let her eat. What's up? We are here day 2 at Punta Gorda. Little update from practice 3 yesterday. Everything was going good. Battling with this one guy. Last lap of our practice lap, he kind of got misrutted, tried to take the inside, and came right over on me. So we tipped the bike over, but that's behind us now. Day 2, first practice, just waiting on motos now. Good. We shaved 2 or 3 seconds off of our lap time, and felt real good in practice. So ready for motos and see what we can do.
Country roads take me home to the place. It's the only thing that slowly stops the ache, but it's made of all the things I have to take.
But he really did this for 4th place.
Alright, so status update. Finished Moto 1 on both categories. Got 5th and 5th. Should have been a 4th, but made a small mistake. I learned from those mistakes, and we'll get them the next go around. We're right there fighting bar to bar there at the last lap. So we'll definitely improve and make sure we don't crash this time. and yeah, gonna try to go for the double doubles. That seems to be my weakest link right now, so gonna size it up on lap 1 and see if I can't just get it done. So that's the status update. Getting ready for Moto 2 for that beginner, and then also 250 beginner. They're pretty much almost back to back, so it's a good exercise for sure, but see how it goes.
She's all loaded up. Justin fucking crashed. So we load this thing up in the rain. What the hell, Yante? You got that thing loaded a little funny.